Hi guys, my name's Logan and I'm going to show you how to use your bathrobe curls. So for example, I just got home after a long night at work and the last thing I want to do is worry about waking up super early to do my hair. And so this is super convenient for that and it's extremely comfortable to sleep in. Okay, before this step, what I did is I brushed through my hair and then I parted my hair into about 2 equal sections and moved them forward. You will want to part your hair where you want your part to be during the day. So now you place your bathrobe curls on top of your head and you'll need 2 rubber bands. So what I do is I like to section 1/2 of my hair off to the side, just around the bathrobe curls so that it doesn't move when I'm working on this other section. So now that I've got that secured, you want to start off by grabbing a top layer of hair. And you want to make sure that you're grabbing all the way from the back of your part, at the back of your head, so that you're not leaving any hairs that won't get curled. So from here, I'm going to make it a little thinner. From here, you're going to split this one in 2 again, and again, approximately equal. And then you're going to move the bathrobe curls so that it's right in the middle of them, just like this. And then you'll start off by taking this most forward strand. I've got my mirror over there, so if I'm looking that way, that's why. So you'll take this forward strand and you'll wrap it all the way around the bathrobe curl once so that it's right back towards the front. And then you'll take this back strand and wrap it towards your face all the way around so that it ends up right in the back again. And this is going to be the basic movement just until you've incorporated all of your hair down. So then to start adding more hair in, it's just like braiding. You'll take one of the sections closer to your face and add it right to that front strand again. And then from here, you'll just repeat that last step where you just bring it over the bathrobe curl. You twisted it around once and then you bring it right back towards the front of your face. And now you'll do that same exact thing with the back strand where you draw your hair all the way from the back of your part forward. You take that section of hair and you add it with that back strand. And now you're ready to bring this one towards your face, wrapping it around and then bringing it to the back again. And now you'll just do this until you reach the bottom of this half of the bathroom curl. And now you've reached the point where you're not incorporating any more hair, so you can just do the same exact thing as you were doing before, just a little bit easier now. So bringing that forward strand over away from your face and then back forward, and then twisting in the opposite direction with that back strand towards your face and right back to the back. And now I've gotten to the end, so I'm just pinching these little tiny strands with my finger, and I'll grab them, making sure that they don't fall away, otherwise the whole thing will unravel. And then all you do is you wrap the ponytail around the ends, and it's fine if they're not perfect. The curls are loose enough that any short amount of loose strands, they won't be noticed at all, so you don't have to fuss with them. So now you can move on to the last half. So again, I'm just doing the exact same things I did on the right side. So I'm going to start off by moving this off to the side so that I can grab the top layer of hair all the way from the back of my part. Again, that's super important. And then I'm splitting this one in half again. And I'm bringing this right back to the center so that it's in the middle of both of them. And so here, oops, it's falling out. Here, you're ready to start curling them. So again, I'm bringing this forward strand back and around away from my face, and so that it's right back in the front again. And I'm taking this back strand and I'm going the opposite direction so that it's coming towards my face and then right there to the back again. And now, like we did on this side and like you do with braiding, we'll take a strand of hair and add it to that first strand. And again, we're bringing this around right back to the front, and then we're grabbing these, holding them securely. We're taking another piece of hair from the back, adding it to that back strand, and then we're going to bring this forward, around, and back. And you can do this again until you've incorporated all of your hair. And now you've reached the end, and you're just going to take your other ponytail band, pinch your ends again so they don't completely fall away, and then start just securing the ends to the bathrobe curl. And that's it. If you're working on 100% dry hair like me, what you can do is you can use a spray bottle to lightly dampen your hair, or you can just put water on your palms and then incorporate it into your hair like so. That's what I always do. But honestly, I'm not going to even add water tonight. I don't have to. Usually with other curls, I do, but for some reason these just actually turn out beautifully in the morning without me even getting my hair slightly wet beforehand. And if you want, if you don't want to sleep with these down, you can actually just tie them around in the back like this and secure them with a clip in the back, and then they're completely off of your neck and it's still comfortable to sleep on. But that's it for tonight. I've got all of my hair incorporated. I'm going to go to sleep and show you the results in the morning. Hey guys, it's the next morning and I'm ready to take out my curls. So I'm going to start just on one side. It doesn't matter which side, and all you have to do is take out the ponytail and then start unraveling. And you want to be pretty gentle. You can't mess these up too much, but you don't want to make them all tangled, and that's going to be really hard to take them out. So as you can see, the curl is already super defined. And again, I didn't even wet my hair last night. So this is one side, and we'll shake it all out once I get the last side out. So here you're almost done, and as you can see, they're super defined. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to gently run my fingers through the curls. It's going to separate them a tiny bit and make them a little bit more natural and like that nice, just that nice loose curl. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. And then what I like to do also is kind of scrunch up the top of my head, and then I'll take just a little bit of dry shampoo. I find that this helps. Just my hair is super flat, so it helps me get some volume and just the roots. And then I'm gonna tip my hair upside down, shake it out, and then it should be all ready. And there you have it, your bathrobe curls. It's phenomenal. It's actually pretty staggering that you could get this like volume of curl with an overnight technique. And here you can play around with it a little bit. It looks super nice in a low ponytail. It just gives so much volume, and it's just so easy. It maybe took me like 10 minutes to put in last night, and then another 2 minutes to take out and mess around with. And there you have it, super easy bathrobe curls.